Yeah, mistakes were made. So you seen the title, you seen the thumbnail, and you're like, man, what happened? Okay, so I got this tendency to use this bag to keep all my little seed packets in. Well, the downside. There's a like million little seeds in the bottom of here, and it is a collection of different seeds. So I could break out the cells and separate them and all that business, but that's really boring, and I don't want to do that. So today we're going to do a mystery seed starter, and I am using a $4.50 for like four of them aluminum pan and Fairy Moss seed starter. And so the reason why I like this is like, so when we initially started doing stuff like this, it was because we were prepping, the world stuff. Gonna need some kind of food to grow, you know. So when you really think about it, there's some of that stuff that doesn't make sense, but it made sense at the time. Okay, don't be judgmental. So anyway, I like this bag because it's waterproof. Like, you seal this up, she'll hold air. Well, I threw all my seeds in there. And the mixture, we don't know what they are. But we've got cone flowers, which is the wife's, marigolds, which are mine, jalapenos. What's that one? Oh, boy. Okay. Large red cherry. Serranos. Mammoth sunflowers. I love these. Oh. Carrots. Kale. Radish. 4 o'clocks. Cabbage. I didn't even know I had cabbage still. Nice. Cauliflower. Broccoli. Black beauty. Zucchini. Mm-hmm. That's the business. Lavender, which was also the wife's that she bought. I don't even know. Maybe they felt, no, that's definitely not lavender. Oh, yeah. Kern. Golden bantam. Spinach. Bloomsdale long. Oh, open that one upside down. California Wonder. Bull's blood beets. I don't even like beets. Lettuce. Ace 65 tomato. It's not those either. Dang it. I want to figure this out, guys. And then onions, which we will be actually doing a row of these because I still have not got any onions. I have 2 out of 100. But Southern Port Red Globe. So, it could be any of those. I hope. Anyway, like, I looked and like none of those look like what's in that bag. Like, definitely not broccoli either. So what we're going to do, because I don't know what I'm doing, is I'm just going to take this pencil and I'm going to make a row just like so. Just like yonder. So that way it's kind of straight. Just like that. And I'm going to take these little seeds. We're going to dump them on this piece of paper. And because I like the chaos, we're just going to throw these right back in there now that I got the seeds out. Because most of these don't even need to be started yet, but onions sticking around because they take forever to grow a bulb. All right, now that we got them on the paper, I'll let you see what they are. If anybody has any guesses what this could actually be, let me know in the comments below, because I don't know. I mean, I got a couple guesses myself, but nothing great. No, I don't even know. It'll be okay. Who cares, right? Right. We're just gonna try to like shake these down in like a thin layer. There we go. Oh, we're gonna need another row. Alright then. Take them. Do a little backfill here. I don't like all these freaking clumps in this Fairy Morse seed starter. I should have ran it through my sift. I don't even know what that is. That's a whole leaf. That's a whole leaf. Alright, then we're going to go over. Put another little baby row in there like so. I'm trying to keep this about the same depth because I'm pretty sure they're all the same seed, besides like there's some weird ones mixed in there, but I like problems. It's what I like to do. Makes me feel pretty on the inside. Oh, that was way too much. Oh, we're going thick now. Worst case scenario, microgreens. Oh, well, that's not even enough to really want to do anymore with. Yeah. There we go. The row's not as pretty, but it'll be fine. I mean, this is a chaos garden. Ah! There we go. All right. We're just going to do that for our onion seeds. And we'll see in about, I don't know, most of these vegetables will germinate in like 7 to 14 days. So maybe in about 30 days, I'll do an update on this just to see exactly what comes up out of these two rows. We know those are onions. We know those are mystery seeds. So, I mean, growing mystery plants today. If you want to catch the update, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you there.